Alright, today we are working on a 1998 Honda CRV and we are replacing the rear wheel bearings block. Guess I should have had something to drink before I started this. Alright, well here we go. This is a little tutorial on how to remove them. I didn't see any other posts about it, so bear with me. This is the second time I've done it. And pretty much I think the easiest way to do it after watching a few other videos on newer CRVs. So here we go, just going to jump in and let you see how to do it. So where we're at right now, next what I'll usually do is I'll stick a 10 or 11 millimeter wrench into here. If you don't have a strong enough air impact to blow it off, I'll just take this. It'll pull it out. On the front wheel bearings it does it a lot better. I know some of you probably stuck a screwdriver in there and snapped it off and then scratched your head and said that wasn't a good idea. You know, I know a few of you have done that. I'm a victim. I did it at first when I first worked on a Honda because it fit right in the hole. But what I have is a 32 millimeter. Put it on there. I got my old Harbor Freight gun. Blows it right off. Take off your nut, reach around the back, push out your stubby. As you can see, there's a lot of debris and oil built up on this one. It's been very hard to spin. The other side was pretty much, you could hear the bearing chatter. So what I'll do is I'll stick that back onto there. That way it doesn't get lost. So of course, put our safety glasses on because there's a lot of dirt and debris. This is going to stick on the back side of the shaft, and you're just going to pound it out. Back side's off. That was pretty simple and harmless. Now you're going to have your hub. You're going to have the outer piece of the bearing that you're going to have to cut off. I'm going to go right back. Now we're going to go to our 14 millimeter. There's that one right there. One, put it off to the side. 2, 3, 4. Alright, now this is going to be loose. Now we're going to come around here to the front. This isn't going to fit on because it's bent. Let me swing you around here so you can see. This is the E-cable bracket, and it's bent up here. I can't get the socket on it, so I'm just going to bend it down some. Clear it out of the way. Clear out any of the junk around there. Alright, now then that's going to come off with the Impacto. Get you set back up so you can see good. That's going to come off. Alright, we're going to leave that loose for right now. come back to that. Now, I'm going to need a screwdriver from under there in case there's dirty stuff. And we're going to need 17 and some extensions. Alright. We're going to stop. Alright, we're set back up kinda. Get our light positioned a little better. But as you can see, we have some bolts back here. And one here. There'll be one down here. Another one over in here. So we have 3 back here. They're all 17s. So I'm not going to be able to hold the camera. And hey, wait, maybe I can sit you on the ledge. There we go. Look at that. You can watch. Hopefully you won't fall off. Let's get a little swivel on here. I like to use these swivel ends so that way you got room to move it around if you need be. Alright, there's one. Put that over to the side. Two. And hello, Mr. 3. Alright, got those 3 off. Beautiful, beautiful, they say. Alright, let's move across to the front again. Yes, yes. Okay, alright. Now we're back to the fun stuff. Clip you back in. Get some lights set up here. Now this whole assembly is going to be loose. I'm going to finagle going to work with that metal hose a little bit for the brake line. And basically you're just going to lift it out and up off the bottom first so you can lift it up. And voila. Dun, 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 dun. Voila. And there we are. One wheel bearing removed. Alright, we're done for today. Whoops. We'll be back tomorrow when Napa gets our parts in stock. And I'll show the reassembly. And we'll go from there. Alright, we are back. Day 2. We got our new part. And all the tools are lined up. We got our bearing removal tool kit and install kit. Get you set up there. I guess you're looking pretty good from that view. Clean this up some. We're down dirt roads, so there's going to be a lot of dirt. We have to get that cleaned up. Good job. Pull out our part here. We're gonna make sure we line it up right, because there's not much room for. I think it's gonna go just like that. Remember correctly. Looks like that. Set it nice. Pull that around. And leave that loose for now. Then get underneath. Line up our parts. We got a hammer and everything already. We got our 3 bolts ready. Safety glasses on, of course. Gonna screw each one in some, make sure it's started. That window strip threads. We got it. Alright. Alright, so we got our hub here. Still pretty dirty. We haven't cleaned it up yet. Oh boy. Give her some lube. Almost did this again. get these bolts in place. Let's do this again. Bump, bump, bump. Alright, I'm going to put them all in loose. As is when you're assembling anything. These I'm going to tighten by hand. Fluctuation. Alright, that's in. There's that. Now we're going to need spacers, washers. Should give them a little spray. Now it's just going to spin. On here. Let's check this. See where we're at. Looks like we are there. And voila. Let's see here.